Hi guys, it's Angie with Fun Endeavors Tie-Dye Lab. Today I'm going to make a spiral shirt that I'm going to ice dye in the muck. The shirt has been washed and dried. I soaked it in a soda ash solution for 20 to 30 minutes, wrung it out of my Panda spin dryer so it's just barely damp. It's also turned inside out. Using a fork, I'm going to begin my spiral and I'm going to start it down in the lower portion of the shirt. So as I'm turning my fork one direction, I'm using my other hand to spiral and form extra folds in this shirt. Now that the shirt is spiraled, I'm going to use some rubber bands to hold all the folds in place. As I mentioned earlier, I'm going to ice dye this shirt in the muck, and all that means is as the ice and dye melt and runs through the shirt, the runoff from that is called muck. So I'm going to put my shirt down inside of a small container and allow it to process down inside of that muck. So as the ice melts and it runs through the shirt, it's just going to sit in that runoff. I'd like to have some darker lines on the shirt, so I'm starting by putting a sprinkle of Dharma's Nightshade on the very bottom of the container. Then I'm going to lay the shirt down on top. And on half of the shirt, I'm going to add Plum from Dharma. And on the other half, I'm adding Red number 9 from Grateful Dyes. Then I'm going to add an additional sprinkle of soda ash on top, just so that as the ice melts and runs through the shirt, I still have plenty of soda ash left in the shirt to react with the dye. Then I'm going to load plenty of ice on top of the shirt. Since I'm going to process it down in the muck, I want to make sure I add plenty of ice so that it produces more than enough muck for the shirt to sit in. I'm going to take my container and put it aside where it doesn't get disturbed at all for at least 24 hours. When I rinse my shirt, I'm beginning in cold water. Then I'm going to gradually warm the water up, continue rinsing, and once the water is almost clear, I'm going to throw it in the washing machine. I'm going to wash it in hot water using a little bit of Dharma's textile detergent. Dry it in the dryer, and this is what our shirt looks like. So I really like this color combination. I really like red and purple together on a shirt. I also like the dark lines inside the shirt, and I like some of the color splits that came out of the plum. The red didn't really split very much, but that's not surprising to me. So hey, if you guys have enjoyed watching this video, I sure would appreciate it if you'd hit the big red subscribe button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you all for watching, and I hope you have a great day.